Inspiring Skills Excellence in Wales, we promote a competition activity. This year, through Skills Competition Wales, we successfully delivered 58 competitions with over 1,600 registrants.
It's an amazing competition, it's an amazing thing to be part of.
Mae bob dim ynglyn â hwn yn helpu nhw mewn bywyd go iawn.
These guys are passionate about what they're doing and that really shows.
Skills Competition Wales and the Inspiring Skills Excellence projects provides a platform for Wales to stretch and challenge our learners, and more importantly, stretch and challenge our educators and our qualifications in Wales. In Wales, we strive for more than just competency, we strive for excellence.
Even in our day-to-day classes within colleges, we are teaching our learners to competition standard. So it's not something that's set aside just for those competitors that are involved in Skills Competition Wales or World Skills UK. We've now brought that into the classroom. Although Inspiring Skills lead on it, we're very, very much dependent on our partners. Partners like colleges, training providers that actually run these competitions for us.
So organising a skills competition is particularly rewarding. We've basically looked at the current curriculum that's out there in FE, and we make sure when we design the test projects that it reflects that curriculum. So we're training the competitors to industry standards. So there's no disconnect there between FE and industry.
Mae hi'n braf cael dod yma heddiw, achos wrth gwrs dyn ni'n cael y siawns i weld talent newydd. Felly i'r diwydiant dwi'n meddwl bod o'n handi iawn bod ni'n cael bod yma heddiw, ond hefyd yn rhan o fyd addysg.
So I think taking part in competitions such as these have a massive benefit for people's careers. I think confidence building, skill set, networking.
Mae'n rhoi cyfleoedd i'r pobl ifanc yma, myfyrwyr ar dros Cymru gyd, cyfle i gallu showcaseio sgiliau nhw i cyflogwyr.
I would say these competitions have been a massive launching pads, if you like, kind of accelerates the journey.
I definitely wouldn't be in the place I am in my career now if it wasn't for, Inspiring Skills and World Skills UK. I think it's really sort of jump-started my career.
Commit, practice and have a passion for what you're doing.
Just go for it, give it a good shot. It's an experience at the end of the day.
If I didn't push myself and get the extra training that I've been given through the Welsh Government and the World Skills UK themselves, I wouldn't be the person I am today.
Definitely do it, you will not regret it. Say the progression that you'll notice in yourself and say technically that could help you in your career will be astronomical, and I will recommend it to anybody.